This is my iPhone 6s running iOS 12, and when I switch the camera to front camera, it's just all black. So one of the things they suggest is switching it until it works. It's no good. Another workaround is they say force close it. Once you force close it, try to go to the front camera. That didn't work. It said try restarting your phone. Turned off. Try restarting it now. And oh, they mentioned voiceover. I'll do voiceover once it starts up. Voiceover and accessibility is already turned off. So if I go into settings, go to accessibility, and I go to voiceover, it's already off. Someone said try
voiceover on, portrait, voiceover off.
Turn it off or something. So I'll try the camera again. It's pretty toast because you can't even take pictures with it. Oops. It's not even taking pictures, you can see. So I'm kind of stuck here. I'm actually trying to factory reset it now. It's in the process of trying to factory reset. And I've actually already tried changing the front camera with no success, so it looks like this might be a board failure. I'm gonna try resetting the phone. Actually gonna also try opening the camera up again and seeing if there's something blocking the camera over here in the front. So could be something simple like that versus a board failure. You never know. So I'm just going to run the automatic update and then check if it works or not. So far, no good news for me.